conversation, Dr. Bo, about part two, the do's and the don'ts of coming into a photo shoot or a fitting. So you went to the back and you put on this beautiful, daring jumpsuit. So tell us a little bit why you chose this daring jumpsuit.
Yeah, so I'm coming for a fitting, and this is part two of our other video where themes about do's and don'ts to wear to a fitting. And so I changed to demonstrate you come into a fitting with your undergarments, which is nude or black. Mine is nude, flesh tone, skin tone, and also my black heels. But the main thing here is that I'm wearing a bodysuit, a catsuit, because now the designer or the boutique can actually see my physique from afar and compare it with my comp card and make sure that my measurements and my silhouette looks apart for what they're looking for. And so that's why I chose a fitted bodysuit as well as a cover, because I came from outside and wanted to come in, and so I wanted to look apart and give it a little pizzazz, the eco chic way, runway recycle way. So that's why I came in looking like this for my fitting. I have my shoes, I have a fitted bodysuit, and I also have on flesh tone undergarments, and I have my heels.
So, Dr. Bess, you chose this daring outfit because you want the ladies to know you never know what the designer will ask you to put on.
Exactly.
And you have to be ready.
Yeah, and also give them a little flair of what you are about. Because me, I like to be a little pizzazzy, sassy, and have a little appeal about myself, but professional. So this is my look. I can go walk down the mall, I can go other places, and still go to my fitting.
You look absolutely amazing. And you know, the designer will have you to come back.
Thank you.
So, ladies and Dr. Bess, if you do not have the proper garments, what are the chances that the designer will ask the ladies to come back?
Oh, that
what a
happens.
woman.
If they're not prepared, sometimes you get turned around at the door. So make sure you always have a model kit that has your information or your attire. If not, you need to wear it to your fitting. It's best to wear it to your fitting, but if you're not ready, take a few moments, arrive early so you can change into your outfit.
Okay. So, part three, ladies, we're going to have Dr. Bess share what some of the best undergarments to have when you go to a fitting or a photo shoot. Thank you, Dr. Bess from Runway Recycle.
Thank you.
Looking amazing.
Thank you, thank you.